Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make an fully automatic chicken farm. This is the already done thing here. Nice thing about this chicken farm is that it doesn't use lava, and also your food doesn't get burnt also. A lot of things with a lot of chicken farms is that the food gets burnt. So I mean pretty much end up losing a lot of the loot. To quickly explain how it works, here are like the parent chickens. They lay eggs, and then the eggs come through the hopper into the dispenser. The dispenser dispenses it here, and they hatch into baby chickens. Once they grow into adult chickens, they climb the water and float this direction right into the fray, into the fire. And once they start burning, they're gonna run to this block right here. I'll explain why they run to that block later on. It's hints because of the water right here. But they die at that block and the chicken drops into the dispenser cooked. Alright, so let's begin. So we start with the netherrack. Netherrack and then place 5 blocks up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're gonna go 3 back. Doesn't really matter how far back you go, as long as you go less than 8. I mean, sorry, 8 or less. And then we're gonna come down. Uh, yeah, more. Okay. Okay. We're gonna build a frame here. And then let's go back over here and finish this part. Dig out 1, 2, 3, 4. And then here, place a chest here. And a hopper. Sorry, no, place a chest here. A hopper here. And then we'll light this up. And now we're gonna cover this up. You can use any block here that you want. I'm just using glass so you guys can see what's going on. Close it up. So you're gonna come here and do a little something special here. Make something hold the water, basically. And then I'm gonna place the water in here. And after that, just close everything up. Okay, and then this side is pretty much finished. Now let's come over here, back over here. Let's close this up. Build 2 up. Like so. And then you want to place a sign here. No, sorry. Place a sign here. And Here you want to place another half slab. Half slab here, and then place the dispenser here. Close this back up. Let me close this back up. And then you want to come back over here, stand on here, and place comparator. A repeater here. A repeater going in here. And then the rest is redstone. Just like that. And now, what you want to do is place a hopper on top of the dispenser. Back. 2 hoppers back. Place a block here. Okay. Cover this. Now that's done. This is where the chickens go. Mother parent chickens. Close this up as well. You can put as many as you want, as you like in there. But once that's finished, I'll come back up here. So, and then what you want to do is just fill this up with water blocks. Step for this, not that one. At least not yet. And then what you want to do, place a block here. Place water here. Oops. And then break that block. Now that you've done that, the build is complete. It is finished. So to demonstrate again how it works, I'm gonna use some eggs. Once the chickens lay eggs, the dispenser is gonna dispense the eggs. Hold on. And then there's gonna be baby chickens in here. Once they grow into adult chickens, so I will show. That's not supposed to happen. But this takes a little bit. But once they grow into adult chickens, you're gonna climb up. The little babies are not supposed to come with them, and then they're gonna fall in here and run to this run in this direction to this block right here. The reason why they run to that block is because of this water source right here. They're thinking apparently they're thinking it's a water source that they can get to, but it's not. And the reason why I built it 5 up from here is because if it was too low, they'll try to run in this direction also because there's water in this direction. But building it 5 up stops that from happening. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So this part using the water was my idea. The whole thing was pretty much my idea, except for this part over here. Kind of use someone else's stuff there. So if you want to use this chicken farm on a YouTube video, please link the video, my video. Yeah, greatly appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy.